What up, everybody? It's your boy Frenchiie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to reset your iPhone 13 Pro Max. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is push the volume button up, down, continue holding the lock button. Hold the lock button until you see the Apple logo. Once you see the Apple logo, you can release. It's probably the easiest method you'll ever find on the internet, on YouTube. Probably any other iPhone video is going to be leading you down the wrong path. But if you come across my channel, it won't be. You can let go. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. It's been your boy Frenchie, and I just taught you how to reset your phone.